it's me Rachna Joshi, and from today onwards I'll make some videos which is related to fine art subject, and those who all are interested kindly subscribe my channel so you will get the notification related to my videos. Today I'm going to start the basics of art, which is still life and object drawing. So let's get started. Now the first topic, that is object study. In object drawing, it is important to draw and color the object exactly as they appear. You are not allowed to make any changes in their arrangement or color scheme. You are not supposed to do any changes in that. And in still life, you can make a drawing as per your perception. You are also allowed to make some changes in the arrangement and coloring of the objects and wrapping. In object drawing, the number of objects arranged are less. Therefore, object can be drawn big. And in still life, usually 5 to 7 objects are arranged. Therefore, objects have to be drawn smaller than in object drawing. Objects have to be drawn from nearer distance in object drawing, so you can add more details in the drawing and coloring. And in still life, objects are placed at the distance of about 5 to 10 feet. So that is difficult to make detailing. In object drawing, there is no background, no drapery. However, there may be a drapery or paper cap below the arranged objects. But in still life, now you understand how to make an object drawing and still life, and they both are different things, and it's a very important topic for you all. Okay, so do practice at home, and please like my channel and subscribe also for more updation. I'll make more videos for you all. Okay, bye bye, take care.